Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial I will be telling you how to change your mouse pointer in Windows 10. So first of all you have to open any browser and type RW Designer. Now you have to click on the first link. Here you have to click on gallery. So now you can see cursors. You can select anything you like. You can also search any cursor that you want. So let me search metal cursor. Let me select this one. Now to download all these cursors, you have to click on this link. To download one, you have to click on that and click on download. Now that your cursor has been downloaded, let us click on search icon and type settings. Now you have to click on devices and you have to go to mouse and click on additional mouse options. Now you have to go to pointers and here you can see all the default pointers. Now you have to click on browse and go to where you saved your pointer file and click on it and click on open, and then you have to click on apply. It is looking so good. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button.